Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, we are live 10 seconds. And I did put this starter URL in the video description. Maybe you can, give it a try. And before we start, I have to tell this. Yesterday, the thing when if you are following this series, which is a little uh, few people are seeing this video, I suppose. Yesterday things went nuts, and I don't know. I mean, it, I chose to study Scala many years ago, many years ago, but I never committed to learning Scala because for some reason or another, um, I never completed any training till the end. That was changed 2 years ago, in which I have enrolled myself in effective programming in Scala, which I will be doing a review. It was for, a, you know, at last one complete training course for me. But in I have I discovered Scala, mm, and I choose to give some time to this language because it seems to me that it's quite a product, delivered by Martin Odersky and his team. And I think it has the philosophy of this guy, Martin Odersky, and others. And they, according to Martin Odersky, they were in their training while they were students. They interacted with Maurice Wilks, the guy who invented Pascal. And the language is a good thing. I I I didn't get to know Scala 2 a lot, to be honest. But this 3 version is great. But it's still Scala was always caught my attention. I know this is a session to see a person struggling, struggling, suffering. Well, not suffering and struggling, but to see a person solving these problems in the book. But since yesterday the things were some kind of, I don't know. I don't know what happened with this casting. And with me to be blindly, it was shocking. So today I looked for this paper, the essence of dependent object types. This is DOT, and it's quite a rigorous thing that the Scala has behind it. So that was people is trusting this, and it happens with lots of programming languages. They have serious research behind them. But Scala is one that has many years research, and look at this. How you can say that the compiler will fail to, you know? And there are some beautiful things around here. Some get things done, some translation of the word, the system D. I don't understand most of this paper, to be honest. You see a lot of these symbols, but I don't get it. I just read the text. I am working my way towards advanced topics in functional programming. but mathematically this is just like different stuff. I recognize some of the symbols, to be honest, but I don't know what is expressed over here, and I don't know because I haven't studied this thing because we are all able to understand this stuff. Okay, but what I wanted to share in this beginning of this video is that you respect the trust behind the reasoning behind the trust of one compiler is that is backed with the work of these devote people to their crafts, you know, their entire life are invested in this stuff. So you say, okay, but then again, still, we I suppose we shall have some reservations. I don't know. I uh, I don't know. You can search for this on your own. You know the essence of dependent object types because I didn't put this in the video description. I'm closing this tag now. Now, in terms of time, I'm just giving myself for today's exercise 15 minutes, 20 minutes at most. And if I can't come up with a solution or things are going crazy, I'm not, switching to this or going lots of, I don't know, like yesterday that we were copying and pasting, trying to reload. We'll just end the stream and probably work the solution in here on Debian, and then present the conclusions like when we did what just in the concat exercise, you know. So yeah, let's start now and see if we can work filter, and it says convert some to none if the value doesn't satisfy s. And again, filter is we are invited to try to implement filter in terms of map and get or else. We will give it a try, but again, I'm not crazy about it at this point after what happened yesterday. But we'll give it a try. Okay, we are copy and pasting this 8 minutes plus 20, 30 minutes, and that's all. Okay. I'm pasting the definition. You know what? Let's use the flat map PP that we have over here. Okay. And first, let's demonstrate the thing with pattern matching. If P of A, what is P? I like to call this P because they are predicates, but they are still functions. So F is okay. It's great too. Yeah, P of 8, yeah. Then we have option, but ours is the option. I will return this. If it doesn't work, I think none. I suppose that should do it. Um, the option in 7. Okay, let's uh, get rid of this. Well, another is the filter, filter. um, okay, something, something, filter, filter. We need to pass a predicate. Mm, can we do something like this? Mod 2 equals 0. In here we are asking if if the option contains a value that is even. So in here we expect none, and in here we expect 7. Sorry, we are in here. Okay, we have 7. In here we expect 7, and in here we expect none. Let us see if we are still right. I thought 12 minutes. I'm not sure. Okay, some 7, none. I said 7. I know, but hopefully you understand that we are returning an option. But the thing is mechanical, without even thinking. We are, and we are invited to write this in terms of map and whatever else. So I will give it a try for sure. So I will solve this filter prime, and then define another filter with this same type signature. Over here and call it only filter. And I have me in my chalk chalk one. You have probably I should think first to solve the problem and let the explanations to the this is the option, and inside here there is a number, and it's inside the option. Probably this is procrastination, to avoid thinking. Yeah, this is a depiction of the option. Okay. Now for some real thinking, let's give it a try. Well, sorry, this is real thinking too. Everything is okay, and we should be happy right now. Okay, don't get stressed if you are writing this. But now the invitation is still open in the book to implement a filter in terms of map and get OL. How should we proceed with this? We are again in the same place that yesterday. Which brings me to the next question. Yesterday we did have plasma PP with this pattern of goals, but the one that was failing was the line in that uh, function that particular line. So I don't know what happened, which brought a lot of questions to ourselves. You know. Okay, let's try to avoid the thinking. Facial. I reckon we do. Well, since we should use map and get or else. Yeah, plug the power. Get or else. What if we use get or else at the beginning? Mm, which if we use get or else at the beginning, we will need uh, a value which I haven't tested. Yeah, an expression can be can be an argument of a function. Yes, but we are not doing that. So let's go with map. And again, we are in trouble here because we need a function. Again, we are with saving this A. And if I'm not sure if this is going to work, to be honest. Here's A, then this, else, none. Uh, should this be enough? Again, we will be returning the option B as yesterday. Well, anything can happen at this point of time, No sé. Yeah, I don't know. No sé in Spanish is I don't know in English. Let's hope for the best. And we are done. Thank God. But I have the question if we have else known, whether else known, we are mentioning known twice. And at the end, just at the end of these exercises, because I don't want to risk myself to see the answers by looking for some issue like that happened in the Volt function. We were getting again strange results. You need to see that video from the REPL itself. The functions were like, I don't know if I typed it wrongly in the wrong way, but after looking for some related issues with that functions, we ended finding that the official GitHub repository contains most I suppose all type signatures for the exercises. So only after we finish this chapter, I would like to come back and look for filter in terms of map and get else to see if the authors have another expression different than this. But for now, we will save this URL and uh, see you tomorrow starting from here to the final little exercise. And it depends of your level. It could be quite straightforward, as I mentioned yesterday some characters related to the functional programming area. Would be like, I don't know, very straightforward. And if you are in your intermediate journey and retaking this after some years, you still will find this a little bit challenging, especially how you combine the functions. The type variables are very important. Some kind of algebra in here. That's it, guys. That's it, fellows. We're still live. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you see this in the future, I don't have anything else to say for today. In terms of, this, of functional programming in Scala, I probably will upload another videos. Take a look at the channel for other content. Take a look at my website. Have a great day and see you tomorrow with the grace of above Lord. With the last little one I don't want to say little one. The last exercise. I don't want to classify this. The last function in this exercise. Okay? See you tomorrow with or else. Okay, bye. Thank you very much. Or I can. Okay. Bye.